Guys, did you know that over 2.9 billion people use Facebook every single month, including you who is watching? How many do you have a Facebook? If you don't have a Facebook, you're among the just a small fraction that is not using Facebook. And guess what? The majority are scrolling, liking, and wasting time, like what you're doing. If you know you're just scrolling, you are wasting time. But a smart few are using same app, Facebook, to make real money online. You guys, whenever I'm on Facebook, I'm motivated to do more because Facebook is making people earn enough money. Do you know what they are using? They are just using smartphone. They don't even have any budget. They don't have technical skills, even of taking a photo. Even they don't have like laptop. No, what they have is their smartphone and the idea. If you have a phone in your hand and internet connection, this could be your moment to start earning from where you are with what you have. Let me know you really, where are you watching from? And let me know the latest, smartest way to make money online in 2025 if you want to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it for you. And even I'm going to explain for you. It's in 2025, only one platform, this Facebook, can make you be rich. What you need to do, stick around. This might be the change and the chance for you to change your hustle. Good morning. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine, your lady. Please, I give you what I know is working for me, and I give you what is working for people, but not majority, the few, because the few have known persistence, consistency, and being strategic. Special thanks to every individual that has engaged and loved us. And for you subscribers, I love you so much. Please share this video outside such that people who have accounts on Facebook with smartphones can benefit from this. Why do you think Facebook still wins in 2025? It's a lot of very many reasons. While many people are running to new platforms, Facebook still holds the power. I've seen this, especially in Africa, in Asia, and growing economies. Why do you think it's like this? Because its target audience is already there, engaging, commenting, and buying. And Facebook has one huge advantage. It allows you to build and you connect and sell all in one app. Whether it's Facebook, whether it is Reels, Facebook groups, or even Marketplace. It's a gold mine if you know how to use it. But if you don't know how to use it, you see it as a fun, wasting time app. This is it. This is why Facebook still wins. And the smartest way to earn on this Facebook with the Reels and digital products is real. Here is the latest smart money move in 2025. If you don't know, I want you to give me your ears. What I need you to do, I need you to post short, very packed reels. Yes, do it for me. Because there are some other people who are just posting for the sake. Promote simple digital products like ebooks, courses, and guides. You get paid through mobile money. You get paid through PayPal or local transfers. Me, I get paid through my bank account. And you don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. Just use smartphone to share tips like stories. One of the things that is giving money, it is stories, it is text, photos, reels, and all that. But if you don't want to show your face, you can share tips, you can tell stories, you can show results, you can promote simple downloads. Let me give you some real examples here. Selling a digital guide using reels is a hot cake. Let's say you have created a simple guide like how to start a small business with 100K. You use ChatGPT to write the content, then you post a reel on Facebook like 3 things you can do today to start your own hustle. At the end, you say, download my full guide. You put a link in the comment section or DM me. That's it. One post, one product, ongoing sales. They will give you enough. In another part, you need to know about this, how it is a real cake. You don't need big followers to earn. No way. Here is the truth. I'm telling you the truth because I've been there and I'm there. You only need yourself. You need the value of your content, not to go viral, not to have very many followers. No, just 5 to 10 sales a week. of a $10 guide will give you $200 to $400 monthly from content you created once. Help me, God, and I bring for you my book here on Facebook. Facebook gives you the tools. Your smartphone is enough. The key is strategy. That's all. I would tend to make this video very short and precise. You guys, let me tell you the truth. Most people don't know that you can make money online in 2025 with just your phone and Facebook alone. Leave with others, just Facebook. Okay? This is the least way and the smartest way. There are very many ways you can post videos and other things, but you can even sell products. That one is very, very good. You're already holding the tool in your hands. If you're watching me, it means you have a phone. You already have the platform downloaded. Now it's time to stop scrolling and start earning. Yes, one smartphone, one simple product, one Facebook page. You don't need 1,000 pages. Yes, I'm serious. If you know you're really ready, please comment down if you want to learn how to start it. But don't forget, your engagement to this video, since you're learning, is very paramount because I want to earn AdSense earning from this. Also, if you want to get a guide for how to start your YouTube channel, please simply with your smartphone in this 2025, I have a PDF guide. Please, it's only $2. Write in the comment section. You can DM me. You can send me a WhatsApp message, as you can see in my bio. On our bio, our numbers are there. I'll just right away give it to you. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.